Clutch cable replacement procedure. Park the vehicle in center stand. Turn the kill switch to off position and switch off the ignition key. Use 12 mm double-end spanner to loosen the adjustment nuts at cover end completely. Tighten the adjuster at lever end on clutch perch fully in. Pull the clutch cable and release it from the clutch lever. Release the clutch cable from the adjuster end and remove the cable. Remove the clutch cable from the vehicle. Assemble new clutch cable to the vehicle. Assemble the clutch cable to the clutch lever. Assemble the clutch cable with adjuster nut on the adjuster end. Clutch lever adjustment procedure. Tighten the hand adjuster. Use 12 mm double-end spanner and tighten the adjustment nuts at cover end completely. In left lock condition, pull the lever and release 3 times. Check the free play is within 10 mm to 12 mm at ball end. To avoid parallax error, align the scale with starting point of ball as shown. Set steering to the straight position, pull lever and release 3 times. Check free play is between 10 mm to 16 mm. Check the gap between lock nut and hand adjuster is 3 mm to 6 mm.